Hi everybody, it's Mary with Nelson Nursery, and the most important thing when you are creating something that you are going to take and go and eat, like vegetables and herbs, is actually your soil. You want to use a very high quality organic soil, which you can see here. This has so many good fluffy nutrients in it. And we want to follow up also using a good organic fertilizer like Microlife Multi-Purpose. This is going to make everything that you are going to eat and put into your body even healthier for you. So right here I have an herb bowl, which these are great to have all year round to add into your cooking. You want to make sure when you're picking out your herbs, you choose ones for your side of your bowl like oregano that's going to fly over the side and create a beautiful spilling effect. And then you'll bring your taller herbs into the back and have something in the middle like your chives, sage, parsleys, and we all know that our basils are going to get nice and tall, so put these guys in the back. And you can swap and play out with a lot of these different ones. You can do dill or you could do fennel. If you have a larger bowl, you can use rosemary as well. So whether you're cooking just every night at home or you want to prep for the holidays and save a little bit of money from using the grocery store ones, make yourself an herb bowl that you can use all year round. Start from the soil and move up and you will have a wonderful herb bowl.